Okay, guys, let's get back to fixing this washing machine. I have the motor here. I'm going to take it and assemble it back with the 6 screws. Let's get the lighting. I'll put the camera down so you can see what I'm doing. So it does plug in there. So we're just gonna lay down doing this. Slide it back on here. That's heavy. So it's gonna slide back on like that. Right. Ooh. I'm gonna slide it this way like this. Gonna make sure the screws do align with the holes. It should be right about there. I'm gonna take one of the screws and go ahead and assemble it so that way it'll be easier.